Hello and welcome. So today I'm going to show you this Robeta Helios campervan with an unusual tent in the roof. Don't think you see many looking like that. I mean, I've seen them before, but not a lot of them. So let's come in. This thing here, I'm going to tell you what the price is right up front. Can you see that? 128. That's 1,000. Now, how come it costs so much? Well, the number one reason is it's the quality issue of it. I mean, it's a very quality motorhome. So lots of things it's got which maybe others don't have, and that is what we are looking at here. Right. Okay. Let's do my best to do a description of it. We've got this double chair up front. They're manufactured in Łódź, Poland, very close to where I was living for a very long time. You might want two people up front. If you don't, then you can order it with just one there. So obviously you've got vehicle seats 5. Now a captain's chair that turns around for 2 people. I think it's only this one company that's actually producing them. Let's have a look at the tent, because this is somewhat odd, unusual. There you go. You can see this. Actually, I like this sort of tent better with the sort of, rather than the sloping one. I can't think of the disadvantage of it yet, not being a tent camper myself. I'm sure there is a disadvantage, just I don't know what it is. But if anybody does know, then please say so. 2 burners here, a sink as you'd expect, and drawers which I shall now open, and more drawers under here. You've got your gas there, down here, there you go, and you can feel it when I pull things out. It really is it's very, very lightweight. Pull out pantry. We've got there, oh, this Klesana toilet. I'm going to talk about that at the end, if I remember. And this obviously will move around, depends how you actually want it. Storage here, mirror, sliding doors. There is the there's the fridge, and more storage here, and the bed at the back. Now the bed will move. It can, if you want more space in the back, you can get it to go up. Why don't I take you around the back to show you it? Passing this on the way, there's your control panel, so you can turn your heating on and see how much electricity is still in the batteries. So as you can see, this can go up by these things here, and space under there. Notice though the amount of storage that this actually offers. I don't know who offers so much space as you get here. There's only space though for one large gas cylinder. Turn the lights on there, and right, Armorflex insulation in the doors. Armorflex, I think it's hard to say which is the best, but it's amongst the best. I mean, there's 2 companies, one of which I would go for is Armorflex. Sometimes people talk of insulation as though it's the thickness that actually counts. So okay, you put 25mm insulation in the walls, the roof, the sides, and in the sliding door as well. Some people talk about, well look, we've got, I don't know, 50 centimeters, I'm not exaggerating, I'm sorry, 5 centimeters of insulation and 50mm. But it doesn't matter. The types of insulation vary. So this I'd much rather have, for example, Armorflex than say 50 millimeters of say standard insulation. So it depends what it is. I mean, it's not really very sensible. Here they're actually saying precisely what the insulation is that they're using. I think it is quite expensive, and this obviously is reflected in the price of the vehicle. So clearly this vehicle, you can get one for well under half the price of a Fiat Ducato conversion as to what this is. So it's the quality you're actually paying for. Looks nice as well though, doesn't it? So nothing I want to talk about the Clesana toilet. I've got my very, very strong doubts on these toilets. What it is this. It's a plastic bag inside the toilet. The Clesana system seals itself. It's very clever the way it seals itself. And so you use the toilet, then you press a button and this electric thing seals it in a bit where some sort of packaging machineries seal what's inside it. Well, so far very clever. The unclever bit is this: what you do with the what's then being sealed. And if it's going in the rubbish bin, I think that's a really bad idea. And that's the sort of thing that gets us campers banned. So that's why I don't like this system at all. I was at a press conference of Clesana yesterday. I wish I'd brought the subject up then, but there was a lot of people there, including potential buyers, so I didn't want to start causing a fight. Anyway, I'll just give you a quick look at some other stuff they got here. That from 90,000 for this Volkswagen conversion from Vermondo, which is a Robeta brand. Here, Lifestyle 540, very interesting small vehicle. Lifestyle 636, so it's a longer vehicle. The 540 is only 541 centimeters in length, and this thing here, there you go, it's 636 centimeters in length, and that's a Movano, and a couple more over here which I shall show you as well. Robeta Kronos. What's clever about this is a new vehicle, is this bit here, because they've got rid of the forward facing bench. It allows for an enormous bed at the back. You can sleep lengthwise or widthwise, and it also here we've got this sort of workspace area which can this will come up. I can't remember how it comes up now, so yes, that's it. And so this comes around, this bit here comes up, that's it, it's all coming back to me now, and you can then sort of use that for your workstation or whatever, a workstation, your computer, and so from that point of view, for those wanting something they can actually work from, that's great. Sorry, I won't break that anymore. It'll make me pay for it. I better get out of here before they find out it was me. This is an electric gas-free unit, and here the Apollo with a rear lounge. The bed's above. It could do with a bit windows though, a bit bigger in my opinion. You've got a rear lounge, you don't want it to be dark. I mean, it's dark at the moment, we're indoors, and it's the lights aren't on, but it needs more windows. That's just my opinion anyway. Good. Right, so come back to this thing here, Helios, which I was talking about. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf, Germany.